Today we are in Textivision, Bursa, and we finished number 1 hall. Now we are going to take you to number 2, number 3 and number 4 because we're really tired. Cheers. Today we are in Bursa for the Textiles Fair, and I'm going to take you through while I explore this amazing fair full of fabric, full of inspiration, and I'm going to start by talking about the colors. So in my previous video I talked about trending colors. I mentioned 2 or 3, I don't remember, but you can see here that this peachy color, light wash grey, green, deep colors combined with cool and warm tones are really going to be popular this year. So let's see what other fabric shops they have in this fair. So different types of techniques are applied in fabric. We saw a lot of brocade, which to me gives me a hint that we're going to see a lot of brocade in daily life, which is not a common thing till now. We have still florals, but what I discovered in florals, there's a new technique that they are displaying, which is like faded off florals. So let's see. So it looks like it's been washed off. So this is really common. Some fabric suppliers like solid colors, so grey on grey, but they did a different technique to display instead of printing it. So this seems really innovative to me, and also there's a lot of different types of sustainable fabrics. This velvety fabric that I talked about before, like toweling material almost, but this is thicker. So in summer we saw this as a towel material in beach wear, but now it's going to turn into more like cozy sweatshirts, joggers. So they didn't allow photos, so we're moving forward with the next shop, which is one of my favorites again, 325. So I was excited about this shop because they normally have really stiff fabrics, but this one has really stretchy fabrics and really too much opportunities for me to pick from. So I really needed this type of thing, and also they have ECI and Ecotex. Hi again everyone. So I didn't finish the last video in Bursa because we got distracted by the fabric suppliers and this amazing AI application that they developed, which allows you to create AI patterns and use them, scale them, repeat them for fabric. So whatever, I'm gonna finish this video off by showing you a knitted fabric and explaining the difference between a weaved fabric and a knit fabric. So this is a gabardine fabric. As you can see, it's more structured, it's stiffer. Weaved fabrics are more elasticated because of the way they put the threads together, the yarns together. It's like you knit jumper, for example, and it's like stretchy by its own because of the way that the yarn is going through. But for knit, it's a different technique. It has more of a paper-like texture, and if it doesn't have lycra in it, it normally does stretch as much as weaved fabric. But like the technology is really developed, so it's stretchy. It can be stretchy. It's not the main point of view, but generally weaved fabrics are more stretchy. So sometimes people ask me what's the difference between knitted and weaved fabric. So as you can see, it looks like you did it by hand. It's knitted.
So yeah, that's the difference between a weaved and knit fabrics. If you are curious learning more about fabrics, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you want more detailed videos, because Instagram has a limited timeline, if you want more detailed videos, I'm planning on doing like a educational fabric 101. If you want that, you can like and subscribe, and write down in the comments below which fabric you are most curious about. For me, for example, I'm really curious about innovative fabrics, so that's why I went to the fair to see some new fabric that I haven't seen before, which was an amazing experience. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the love and support on the previous video. I hope we can focus more on YouTube these days, and I'll talk to you soon. That's my dog. I have to take care of him.